Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am here again with another powerful video. But guess what? It's simple, simple tea, but I'm telling you, it's powerful. When me tell you say powerful, it's powerful. I'm here with hibiscus. Hibiscus, and you know this very good for your blood pressure and other more health benefit. Also my ginger, oh Lord, your belly hurt, it good for pain. Also high blood pressure. My lemon, you put lemon in everything, almost all the juice you have. When you put a little lemon, oh Lord, you're gone clear with it. You see, if you have a headache or you think it's your blood pressure, you cut a piece of lemon and you put it on your forehead and you lay down, relax, and then blood pressure gone. Okay, these are all health benefit you can get. It's simple as I said, but it's powerful. So my ginger with my hibiscus, and this is a plant, everybody know hibiscus. It look like sorrel. You know, many people sometimes buy it for sorrel and make sorrel juice. Yes, it's rich, it look like sorrel, but it's hibiscus. Yes, so I am going to make my ginger first. I also have my pot on the fire waiting for me, because you know this, you have to draw it very good and let it sit for an hour or more. But it's tea. When you make it sit a while, then it's more effective. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my ginger, and then I put my ginger to my water on the fire, and then I will wash this and put it. And when I'm finished, then I will add these. But you know, you can cut these. Cut up your lemon and put it in your tea to draw. It's more powerful. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave one, and when I'm finished with my tea, I squeeze it in. But I'm going to cut the other two jar with my hibiscus and my ginger. Stay tuned, don't leave. Anything you're doing, just wash it first, okay? Okay, you don't have to strip off everything as long as you wash it very good. So I am cutting it up to put in my blender. When you're doing this thing, be careful of your hand, because I know what I'm doing. It's easy to me, right? Very powerful. You can drink it in the morning, every morning a cup. You can also drink it in the evening before bed. That's good. And you don't have to have high blood pressure nor sick with anything to drink this. This is powerful, cleaning out and nice. Yeah, they said all these things fight cancer cell. Okay, all right, this is my blender over here. I'm gonna throw 1 cup of water, and I add my ginger to my water. Nice ginger. Okay, I'm gonna add my ginger. Okay, you have to be careful now or you to close the pot. So I'm just gonna leave it open for a little while. When it boiled up and I add my hibiscus to my water with my cut lemon, then I will cover it and make it.
You're gonna make it simmer down?
Yes. And that's how you're gonna draw. Okay? Not because it's in the bag. Just give it a wash still, okay? Over to the sink and wash. You go my hibiscus to my tell you, brethren, powerful, powerful, powerful ingredients, these. I squeeze out the juice first. And I cut these. Dip it in your water.
Nothing waste, wifey.
Nothing no waste. You have to waste it. Dip it in the water. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna give it a boil for like 2-3 minutes, and then I cover the pot and turn off the stove. Okay guys, look at my tea. Look, rich and pretty, okay? And it's very powerful. I'm going to turn off the stove and leave it for an hour to draw. And I will be right back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, my hibiscus and my ginger and lemon tea is ready. I can strain it now. It's a little warm, but it's good to drink it when it's warm. So if you put it into a container for tomorrow or other days, you can take out some, warm it up, and there you're good to go. Okay, I'm going to strain it off now and bottle it, okay? So stay with me. So pretty.
Like sorry.
Yes, it looks like sorrel. Smells so nice. And guess what? You see this? Still strong. You can do it. You can boil it again. Draw it again. Okay. Yes, I'm back again. Here is my finishing look. This is my hibiscus tea with ginger and lemon. Okay. I told you that you can drink it anytime you want. If you prefer to drink it morning and evening, that's good for you. Okay, if you want to add a little sugar, I don't add no sugar. If you want to take in a little sugar, you can go ahead. Okay, but it's best not to put sugar, but you're preferred. All right, I'm going to drink mine without sugar. Okay. Wow, it's nice. Okay. Okay, and I told you that these things have a powerful benefit, okay? I said it's simple, but it's powerful. So remember to like, to share, subscribe, tell a friend. Click the notification bell, okay? And I see you next time.